So let's look at this example where we know the tangent of pi over 6 equals square root of 3 over 3. We want to find the value of 7 pi over 6. Well, the big thing we found in this section is that if we want to find the angle of any of the trig functions, let's say we want to find the tangent of theta, then it is the exact same as its reference angle, except for it might be positive or negative. The sign might be different depending on what quadrant we're in. So really, this is another problem where we have to figure where is 7 pi over 6. So if I want to change this to radians, I can. Multiply by 180 over pi. Pi's cancel. 180 over 6 is 30. So 7 times 30 is 210. So 210 goes like this. Because this is 180, it's past 180, but certainly less than 270. So the reference angle has to be this angle right here. And that is how much more you have to go from 180 to get to 210, so that would be 30. So the reference angle is 30. And in radians, remember that's pi over 6. Obviously that's kind of true because we have the pi over 6. So I know tangent of 7 pi over 6 will be the same as the tangent of pi over 6. I just have to figure out if it's negative or positive. But in quadrant 3, remember, all sine, tangent, cosine. In quadrant 3, tangent is positive. So the tangent of 7 pi over 6 is just equal to the positive of its reference angle. So that's just going to be positive radical 3 over 3. So it has the same value. Now if it was in quadrant 2 or 4, it would be negative.